My name is Dejan Patrčević. I was an IRONMAN Pro for more than a decade. My personal best is 8 hours and 12 minutes, and I was in top 30 in Ironman World Championship twice. I owe my success to the island of Hvar. Hvar was the heart of my training, just like Kona is the heart of the Ironman. Now, I'm the founder and head coach of Adriatic Coaching. Our coaching method is based on my Hvar training experiences: diversity, nature, patience. I want to share with you the amazing experience of training in Hvar. Hvar offers a unique running, cycling, mountain biking and open water swim opportunities mixed with the local food and culture. Join me for the Adriatic Coaching Hvar training camp. I hope to see you soon.